Hi, I'm Mila, and my magic pet Morphle can morph into anything I want.
Here we are. I've heard that there is a very special magic pet on this island.
Morphle, wanna see?
Yeah, me too. Morphle, morph back into yourself so we can go into the jungle.
Ooh, I think I see it.
Let's go!
Are you ready, Daddy? Daddy?
Daddy gone!
Uh-oh, let's go find him. Ah!
Monkey!
Maybe you can see Daddy from the trees. Morph into a monkey, Morphle.
Morphle now see Daddy! Scary!
Yeah, but when you're with me, I don't feel scared at all. Look, Morphle, that elephant's trunk is stuck underneath that tree.
Uh-oh!
Morphle, morph into an elephant as well, so you can lift up that tree.
Scary sound!
It is. I wonder where the sound comes from. Ooh, look over there, Morphle.
Pretty birdies!
Morphle, morph into a bird as well. Now fly up high and look if you can see Daddy.
Morphle now can see Daddy!
It sounded really close by, Morphle.
Yeah!
Oh, no! Mila! Morphle!
That's Daddy's voice. Let's go, Morphle.
Mila! Morphle! Are you there?
Daddy now here?
No. Oh, look.
Is anyone there?
Hello, bird. So you were the one making that scary sound. That was great. Do you really think so? Yeah. You must be the magic pet Daddy told us.
Help!
Was that you? It wasn't me.
Real Daddy!
We need to help him.
Mila! Morphle! Are you there?
Morph into a big dog.
Thank you, Morphle, Mila, and... Ah, you are the magic pet. Great! I would love to have the chance to photograph a real live Tyrannosaurus.
Morphle, morph into a time machine.
Mila and Morphle, a herd of gallimimus.
Wow! There's something in the bushes!
Ankylosauruses. Hey, my camera! There he is! This is my chance. Ah, my camera. Look, Mila and Morphle. This is my latest invention.
Whoa!
Everything that I zap with it becomes very big or very small.
Wow!
Tumbling test tubes. It's gone. We are now the Building Bandits.
After them, Morphle.
Oh no! It's Morphle! Take that! What? My house! Yeah! Let's take the police station! You there! Stop! You bandits! Just wait till I'm done with you!
You won't get away with this, you no good for nothing ragged fricks. I'm coming to the
This will slow them down!
Jitterbug, that's enough. Catch, boy.
Let's go, Morphle. Morph into a house. Here they come.
We've got another one. Hi there.
Well done, Morphle. Now let's give everyone their house back.
Amazing, Mila and Morphle. Thanks to you, everything is back to normal.
You there, stop! Stealing daddies, huh? Not in my city.
Somebody stole the wheels of my tow truck.
Morphle, morph into a tow truck, too.
Aw, thanks, Mila and Morphle. Oh, look! All the wheels have been stolen.
Oh, no! Look, the wheel bandits?
No, no, no! The fire! Oh, look! The wheels are gone. Now how are we going to get to the hospital? Hey, Mila and Morphle! Thank you. Not in my city! Get them, Mila and Morphle! He's bringing us to the garage. Oh no, the magic letters are gone. I had every letter of the alphabet in my truck.
Is that one of them, Daddy?
Ah, yes, it's the T for tree.
Look over there, in that yellow car. The C for car, and the Y for yellow.
Here, everything you catch with this Magic Pet transporter hoop will end up in the Magic Pet store. Will the two of you catch all of the letters for me, Mila?
Of course, Daddy. Let's start with the A, Morphle.
Aeroplaner.
That's right. Let's find an airplane. The H of helicopter.
Beach.
You're right. Look, Morphle, the O of ocean. Look, the Eye of Island. X marks the spot. Morphle, morph into an excavator. There's the G on the garage. Let's keep on going, Morphle. The D for desert. The V for volcano. The N for the North Pole. The J for jungle. It's the E for elephant. Do you know any other special places where the magic letters could be?
It's moon.
You're right. Let's go to the moon. It's the S for space.
Say, are you looking for this little guy?
The U for UFO.
I was on my way to Professor Rashid, but I got lost.
Don't worry, we'll get you there.
No! Tumbling test tubes!
Look, it's the L for laboratory.
Maybe that also explains why there is a Q in my quantum physics experiment.
I know just where to find them. F is for fire truck. P is for policeman.
Huh?
R is for racetrack. Do you know where we could find the Z, Morphle?
So,
That's right!
kangaroo, kangaroo. K.
Hi, Mila and Morphle. What brings you to the zoo?
We're looking for all the magic letter pets, and we only need the Z for zoo.
Well, it sounds like your friends are waiting for you. Oh, Mila and Morphle.
Mr. Mirror, can you show us what's happening in the mirror world?
I most certainly can, Mila.
Morphle love mirror world.
Orphle?
No, Morphle. Put him back inside me. That's awful. In the mirror world, everything is the opposite of what it's like in our world. And since Morphle is very friendly, I am afraid that Orphle will want to do nothing but bad things.
Good thinking. We can't have Orphle running around in the city creating a mess. Come, Morphle, let's play with Chroma for a while.
Hello, Morphle. How are you today?
Oh, police officer nice.
Whoa! What are you doing? Morphle! You can't just leave me here!
Sounds like someone's looking for you, Morphle.
There you are, Morphle. Now get me back down from here. Thanks, but I don't appreciate these kind of shenanigans.
Shenanigans?
It was you who put me on the roof in the first place.
But Morphle was inside with us the whole time.
No, he put me on the roof, and he was laughing about it, like this.
Oh no, that sounds like Orphle. Mr. Mirror, show us the mirror world, please. Oh no, Orphle has escaped.
Oh, dear.
We need to find him, you guys.
My car!
What are you doing, Morphle? Are you building something? Hey, what's the deal here? This isn't fun, Morphle.
There you are. This joke has lasted long enough. Put everything back, please, Morphle.
But Morphle did no do.
We must be getting close. Morph into a race car.
What about my car?
Morphle, put us back on the ground.
But if that's Morphle, who's that? Who's winning?
And who's the real Morphle? We need to make sure Orphle can't pretend to be Morphle anymore. Chroma, paint Orphle green.
Orphle green?
Hold up, Morphle. Let's help Troy and April down first. I hope we have seen the last of Orphle.